We are going to switch out the vial to a TruArc 3. In order to do that, just brace the base and put pressure on the center of the vial, and it should pop straight out. Getting your new vial, add grease to the vial, and then place the base back over top and press down. Go ahead and push it in until you hear that click. And you also want to make sure before you push down that the red and white of the needle is up. Now go ahead and give the vial a quick spin to make sure the grease is fully applied. And wipe off the excess. Now to adjust the compass to north, first you want to pinch the vial with your thumb, pointer finger, and middle finger. Pressing down on the vial and rotating it so the red arrow is set to 0 on the azimuth ring. And then you want to adjust for magnetic declination for wherever you are. Now, you have successfully replaced a TruArc 3 vial.